What's up, Genius gang? Today we're going to be doing something different. It's going to be a DIY on a Hutch Makeover. So you just want to keep it right here all the way to the end and enjoy something else that I can do. Welcome.
I wanna get better, yeah. Better, yeah. Every day I wanna be just fine. Yeah. And the more I wanna cry, this is my calling, yeah.
So fam, today as I said earlier, we're going to be doing a DIY Hutch Makeover, which was unplanned. Like we didn't plan to record this, and I was doing it together with my fiance. And I didn't know I have some other talent, but if you don't try it, how would you know if you can do it or not? So we said, let's give it a try. So it was the first time that I was doing something like this. So let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. And as from what I can say, I think like it came out super nice. Also, this was a $30 hatch at Goodwill, and we decided to do some, little bit of creativity on it. So let me know what you think about it. By the way, we got some new music coming. So if it's your first time stopping by, we do music too. So you just want to keep it right here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. Also, remember to share this video so that a lot of people can be able to know about this amazing channel. I love every single person of you, and I hope you enjoyed this other little bit of art that I can also do. As I said earlier, we didn't plan on recording this, but depending on how it was coming out, gosh, I felt like no. I gotta fill you guys in, and that's why you can see every single part here, and also not listing the tools before and after. We put some things like, a few wood here and there, and we didn't have tools right here because I've never done a DIY before. So we had to start everything straight up. So something like the jigsaw, circular saw, and several other things. So we bought them the paint, the spray paint, and every other single thing. We had to buy them. But that's a lifetime investment. So you're gonna expect more DIY this week. Guys, right here I did a very, very, very bad mistake. Do not spray in large quantities, but it was a first time experience, so I learned a lot during this whole process. My guy also had a lot of tools which came in handy during the process, like the drill and the impact driver. As you can see, the door is coming along good, and we also had two side tables that we painted. So I was doing most of the painting, and he was doing most of the sanding, and measurements and building and so on. So it was a teamwork, guys. I was majorly trying to get these shots from different angles, and at times I would be so confused because we were working outside in the sun, super hot, and with the whatever the bags and so on, it was so exhausting. And you can see I had my hair like that, which makes it extreme for the temperatures. So it was a hustle altogether. I know you spotted the table, the spoiled spot, which we had to fix anyway, and it came out good at the end of it all. Guys, this project taught me a lot. For one, it's the tiny little details that when you add makes a very big difference. And when we added the door, oh my god, I couldn't stop looking at this thing. And I was so impressed, because of the hard work and so on. I was then immediately heartbroken. Something went wrong with the door, so we had to fix it real quick. Oh my god, guys. I am so impressed. I was so impressed with the results. I don't know what you think, but let me know right down there. I'm going to show you what little things we added on the door. You'll see it is going to be closing a little bit better. And yeah, that's just it. So right here is where we added the double roller catches. That is what we call them. And it enabled the door to close a little bit much better. This is the official statement letting you guys know that this is a functional hatch. So you can see it with the utensils in it. So a little bit of arrangements are there. And I'm pretty pleased with it. And I'm waiting on you guys' feedbacks. And I know next time I'll do better than that. Remember, this wasn't planned. And we were just going to do it behind the cameras, but I loved how it was coming up. Bro, I was saying, nah, let's just do this, So next time, any kind of DIY is going to be right on the camera, step by step. So bear with me on this one, and we'll do better next time. Thank you. Remember, this was a $30 hatch, and we did a little bit of remodeling on it. And this is what came out together with the side tables right there. And we did a little bit of rearrangement of the house. Guys, you don't know what more you can do if you just sit back there, keep on pushing yourself to be doing other things. So I know I got potential in me, and with the supportive person and who knows a lot of things here and there, then we were able to do this. So I have a question for you today. What do you do together with your guy? Or is it just all about, sitting there, making love and cooking and nothing else? So challenge yourself today. You can be working together as partners and produce nice stuff together. Until next time, see you guys. New music is on the way. I love you guys so much. Stay safe. Also, thank you so much to my loyal supporters, those who have been here from the beginning. If it's your first time, also remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also remember to share so that we can bring more people on board. By the way, this project took roughly about 1 week. And remember, considering the time, that it has to be after work. So after 6 p.m., that's when we were doing this thing until maybe 10 p.m. whole week. Be safe. See you on the streets.